the weeds would get tangled together.
To about 12 inches. Do you see what
Just
he's
about,
doing?
just about, 8 to 10 is good.
8 to 10?
8 to 10 is good, but space them out like this. So as you space them, then get a whole bunch done at once. Lay them down like that. Stick it right there. And then hold it straight up. Pile it over. Right?
Ooh, that's easy now.
Take a little bit, push it down with your fingers. Make sure that it's firm in the ground. A little bit more dirt.
Like a handshake. So you should.
And you planted your first seedling. So
Then
Questions?
you can go back to it. Right? Don't step on it. Be careful. Don't make them cry.
Nope. You gotta stand it straight.
Look.
Oh, wait a second.
Stand it up.
What?
Right?
I got it. Like this. I got it.
Okay.
You just throw it. Come on.
Lanista, you're holding that up. You shouldn't be holding it up. So
Put
not
it
like
right
that.
there. Make sure that the dirt is
Like
secured
that.
on the sides. Like that. Right? And then just pile it on.
You can get down. Look. You can get down.
This is the dirty part.
All right. Well, I want to do some.
All right, so give me the camera.
I was actually doing a short video of you guys.
Oh.
Just so I don't get too dirty.
There you go.
Oh, can Robert be on your team?
Oh, yeah. So we
This is rebuild team.
He's all about sports, huh?
Yeah, we're all working together. Yeah. This is like following up the game. I got it. Oh my God! Did you hear this? And, he has
Said
a
it so.
basketball hoop in his room.
Yeah.
He wake up doing that. He go to sleep doing that.
That's good. At least it keeps him focused.